Me being a Pixel fan, so it's strange when I tend to use an iPhone. Before I get into that, if you'd like to try out Helium Mobile, use my promo code. That will get you your first month for free. Okay? You also find it in the description. Well, let's carry on. So, two devices I'm currently using right now is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the iPhone 12. My Pixel 8a is also in the rotation, so three devices I carry with me recently. And there's like a big contrast between the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 12. And it's not because one is a Pro model and the other is a base model, but it's also the build quality, just where you kind of see things at. Like I told you guys, I got the 11 Pro Max because I was actually looking for a 10s Max because I really like the 10s iPhone, or XS for those, whatever. But this was on sale from somebody. Hell of a price. Picked it up. Use it. Enjoy using it. Yeah. But my iPhone 12 I also enjoy using too. Now there's not really such a big difference between them as far as the user interface. Size of the display, obviously there's a big difference there. Cameras, I could do a little bit more smartphone photography with the Pro Max versus the base model. But yet they both take pretty good pictures. It's the reason that I didn't complete the 4-day challenge. Yes, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I didn't make it 4 days. So when iOS 18.1 beta 4 came, I popped my SIM back into an iPhone, updated it. Android 15, put my SIM back into Pixel 8a, updated it to Android 15. So, and that was close to day 3. I think it was like 2 days and 21 hours and about 28 minutes, I think, before I switched back to Android and iPhone. Technically, yes, if I really put my heart and soul into it, like it was some sort of a mission, I can go those 4 days without those devices. But at the same time, too, the experience that I get from them, okay, I'm not going to lie to people, but I get a really good experience that other companies don't really match up to. Like having stock Android, yes, it's very similar to what you get on the Google Pixel, but the behavior of the device, the way that the processor chip is able to do certain things, you can feel a difference when you're using them. It is not a placebo effect. It's not, just because you're catering to them, so that's why. No, you really can feel a difference in using them. When I'm editing videos, I can feel the difference between them. Moto G Stylus 5G 2024, solid phone. Solid phone. For me as a content creator, it's a solid phone up until it's time to create content. Sometimes the video play, when recording, it freezes up during recording, so my actual playback, it shows that freeze in the video frame. Not very good. Editing, a lot harder to do, takes a lot longer to process video compared to what I'm doing, like if I do it on the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 12, or if I'm doing it on the Pixel 8a or the Pixel 7. They render the video much faster. And during the editing, if I'm doing jump cuts and stuff like that, it quickly makes those adjustments as I am editing along. Sometimes when I do it, on the Galaxy A53, or if I'm doing it on the Moto G Stylus 2024, I'll do like a jump cut edit, and I'll delete a certain frame shot out of it to create that jump cut, and it just lags to get it done, maybe a couple of seconds, and then it's there after I've already executed a command to delete that clip that I have isolated in the time frame to take out to create the jump cut. So it's not a detrimental thing for me. I really enjoy using the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024. I think it's a solid phone. I think it's a phone that people should look into, like sub $300. Definitely get one, because not everybody is a content creator. Sure, there's people who make TikToks for fun, or they whatever, post little clips on Twitter or Instagram Reels. But heavy content creators, that's the thing that I need something that's powerful enough to handle what I need. And what I use, YouTube Create, CapCut, those aren't heavy, extensive editors. Those are very light editors. Yet, I still felt the need to basically go back to them from what I was currently using. So, If it was an everyday user type standpoint thing, yeah, sure, I probably can go a whole week without touching a Pixel or an iPhone. But when I'm trying to stay up with creating content and uploading it for all of you guys, so you guys have something to check out that's from me, then that's where it's just like, I gotta use them. Like, I gotta use them. So yeah, for those who want to know, did you make it to 4 days? Nah. So if you were betting against me that I was gonna fail, you were right. But yeah, I thought I would keep you guys posted, and I did. Thanks for checking it out. Comment your thoughts, emotional outbursts in the comment section. Smash the like button. Again, in the description is my promo to get your first month free on Helium Mobile upon sign up. Thanks for checking out today's video. Yes, I know I shot it in portrait also as well. But yeah, I gotta go. I got things to do. So do you guys. Love, peace, chicken grease. Aloha.